Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 14th of February 2018 and right now it's about 12:56 p.m. So how are you guys? You had a good day yesterday? You enjoyed your holiday? I mean, to me it was I as I told you, I don't keep track of holidays also in for me the best days are when the market is open, market is working. So I kind of, realized by the end of the day that today is market is closed yesterday. So anyway, it was a good day. I could accomplish a lot of other things and did a lot of research for you guys. So here I am. I want to teach you. Let's talk about Nifty today. So Nifty is basically, see, if you see here, let's look into the larger picture of Nifty. So for that, what I need to do, I will go to Nifty's cash graph and see here. If you see the larger perspective, Nifty has taken a resistance and it has come down. Can you see here? Nifty has come down, right? And it came down, further came down, and now it is trying to hold itself. To me, when is my stance on Nifty going to change? When it crosses 200 moving, both 10 and 50 moving average cross 200 moving average with volumes, right? Or take a support. That is when I will say, yes, Nifty is in the upward trend right now. But right now, Nifty is not in uptrend, right? Why? Because see here, it is taking resistance. Yeah, here it took a resistance, and again it took a resistance here. But the positive thing about it is that it took a support this day and it took a support on this day, right? 2 days it has taken a support here as well as over here, right? So now what does it really mean? So there could be a possibility that Nifty may honor this support. Now see, there is a narrow channel which has formed. All the moving averages are coming closer, right? Nifty is making higher lows, right? And all this channel is forming. There has to be a breakout in either of the direction. So we'll have to wait and watch that direction, because I've been watching Nifty since morning. It's not ready to go down. So let me make a line first, and with that I'll explain you how it goes. So see here, this is the Nifty support, rock solid support. Nifty has formed here, right? At this point, 3 times it touched, 1, 2, and 3 times today itself. Once, twice, and 3 times Nifty has touched it and bounced back, right? And in the previous patterns also, I can see it forming a support or the resistance at the same level. So if the next candle, which is at 1 o'clock, if it forms above, there could be a and then it crosses in the upward direction. It goes above 10 moving average. Then there could be a possibility that Nifty may head up. And major reason for Nifty to fall today are basically the banking sector and their NPAs. Even Punjab National Bank, or I was looking into it. I think PNB also had the same this thing. PNB, Punjab National Bank, which has also fallen a lot today, right? So this is all because of the banking sector that the Nifty is little weak, right? So let's see how it goes. The next candle, if it goes up, then probably it will become a support itself. Right? So some of the trades that I have done, one of my trade is RCOM. I have traded it in, I have taken its call as well as I have taken its future lot. I have taken both because to me, technically it looked very, very strong. Very strong. Even to me, Apollo Tire looks very strong. Now see, it opened a little gap up, but then it came down, came down, and now it's taking a support and it is heading up, right? So to me, even Apollo Tire looks very, very good. All right. So some of the stocks that I have given to you, I want to discuss those. So I gave you 𝐒𝐴𝐵𝐾 Laboratories, right? I don't know how many. I also did APL Limited. APL Limited also I had given, and which has also given a good amount of return. Then I have given a lot of stocks I have given, and I'm going to be discussing almost all of them. 𝐒𝐓𝐘 Laboratory, right? 𝐒𝐓𝐘 Laboratory, I gave it at 400. I have bought it also at the same price, if I remember. I gave it at 590 and it's at 638. Then I gave Jufic Bio at 126, it's 132.65. Bike, I gave it 193, it's at 195.8. Right? All this Prism Cement, this was a BTST stock that I did. And see, all of them are doing pretty good. So the ones which are little red will also be fine. That's what my belief is. They should all be fine. Okay, so now let's come back and see, some other stocks that my members have been talking about. Of course, we have given Dawat, LT Foods we given at somewhere around 68 or something, 90 or 91 rupees. It even touched 99.30 today. It touched good 10% return. Where do you get such kind of returns? These are huge returns. Then another stock I have on my radar is HGS. HGS is also looking very good to me. I'm 100% sure maybe tomorrow or the day after it should give us a good breakout. Okay, so what I am telling you guys, you can keep Apollo Tyres on your radar. Since it is bouncing back, I have put its call. I have put its 285 call, and I'm pretty much sure it's at 290 right now. It will give us a good profit in the coming time. It definitely will give good profit in the coming time, right? So one more stock that I want to buy right now is IDBI Bank, right? It's at 67.15, and to me definitely looks good. Can you see this 10 moving average? It's not crossing, it's not falling down, it's going to be heading in the upward direction. So what I plan to do, create some kind of a resource of finances and buy this. Just let me see one more second what's happening into its option chain. IDBI, let's see what's happening into its option chain. So this is the option chain, right? Where are we right now? 66.9. So that means somewhere here around at 66.9 means above 65 here. So the lot is 10,000 and the option price right now is 1.90. So it could be a very good opportunity. I am feeling that I should be able to enter into this stock, right? Delete. And I do plan to buy IDBI 67.5 call, right? How much is it available for? 190. And I have a feeling a breakout is about to happen in this. So you can take my words and you can watch out for this stock. Let's see how it performs. You will be able to see after some time once I post the video. So I may wait it for it to come down till this point, right, which is at 66.5, and then from there if it bounces I may create my position into it, right? So now Nifty looks positive to me. Now Nifty has gained the volumes and now it is heading up with volumes. I'm hoping it to give good returns. I have a lot of positions, so what I have to do, I have also bought it put. I have to exit the puts and I have to continue with the calls. With certain mindset I had bought the puts, so I will exit the puts, I will continue with the calls and see the profits. Today are 31,190. These are my profits right now. So the massive loss that I have is in SBIN, but I'm still holding it. I'm hoping that if Nifty bounces, it should actually be at par, right? So these are the profits that you see, I'm having. I have RCOM, I have Apollo Tire Call, and I'm 100% sure Apollo Tire Call will be fine. A bit up and down happens in the market, right? It doesn't matter. So if your profitable trades are bigger than your losing trades, then you don't need to worry, right? When does the worry come? When your losing trades are bigger and the profitable trades are lesser. That's when you have to be worried about. All right. So Let's talk about a few more stocks that I have on my radar. So one stock that I want to give you is, let me take you here. It is, uh, where is it? This is Aksh Optofiber, right? It's been heading up. So if you find it at a bit of, I mean, I gave it about at 24 rupees or so. I gave it long back, uh, way long back. Somewhere here I gave it. Not even this month. It's about July or so I gave it. After that went up, down, up, down, up, down, and then it is heading up now. Right. Another stock that I had on my radar was 8K miles. 8K miles look good to me. If it crosses this barrier, and this barrier rather, I would say 872, then I'm definitely expecting it to head up, right? 8K miles. This is one of the stock that I have definitely on my radar. And my members were suggesting Guinea Fila, right? This is Guinea Fila filament. This, if it crosses this barrier, you can see this barrier, which is at 40.33, it will be a good opportunity to enter into it. All right. So guys, this is how I have been trading. Like you can see, this is my positional portfolio, which is giving me good 4.8% return. I will see if Nifty is positive and heading up, then I'll continue with it. Otherwise, I will be exiting my trades. But as of now, where we stand, Nifty looks positive to me. So I'm holding it. I'm holding it. And I will be more certain about it if Nifty crosses this barrier at the top, which is 10,570 with volumes. Then I will be sure Nifty is going to be heading up. Then where will be the next boundary that I can see from here? Next boundary will come at this point, somewhere here, 10,580. That is where, I mean, another 10 points, the boundary will come. And if Nifty crosses this 200 moving average with volume, then Nifty definitely plans to head up, right? So this is my analysis about Nifty, and these are my trades. And hopefully, it's pretty good profit now. I'll see, what trades, and even this IB real estate, I have it in the holding as well, because I gave it as a, trade on Tuesday. I gave it as a, BTST trade. So see how beautifully it is doing. So all these were my trades for today. And I'm hoping that if you want to be in the market, you should learn about it. And I'm there to teach you. And if you want to learn, you come to my website. You come to my website here in stockpro.training.com. We're just about to start on the 17th, which is this Saturday. You can join my Stock Pro setup for the live webinar. And whatever we charge, we ensure you get it back. So something that I wanted to share with you guys, that I have been talking to so many people on this Saturday, which was 10th. I had a live webinar with you all, and after that I have been getting so many calls, and whatever calls I'm getting, those people are saying that they have lost money massively in the market. How much? What tune they have lost the money in the market? To the tune of 50 lakhs, 70 lakhs, 60 lakhs. These are the, what do you say, magnitude of their losses. So, and those are well qualified people, like they are professional CAs or various other people. So what I'm saying, a market only respect the people who knows entry and exit, right? Market only respect those people who know entry and exit. It doesn't care about qualification or anything. So be the people who understand the market, and be in the right direction. And I tell you, I am taking that responsibility to teach you. People will give you tips, people will give you everything, but they will not be teaching you, right? Because it takes a lot of efforts and everything to teach people. And here I am. I'm ready to teach you. So, and also not only that, we on top of it, we also ensure that you get this money back, right? That is our promise to you. So guys, join ASAP so that you can use the full benefit of this offer that you're getting, and recover your money with our calls and learn the market for the life. So good day. I'm signing off today, but I definitely plan to see you at the webinar, and we started on this Saturday. Good day. Bye bye. See you.